Piny owacho bwo migawo mar arita koni ok bidok chien gang' e wigo lweny yedhe migawo mar arita kitwe Kindiki kod apisas maniduol mochung'ne kedo kod wach yedhe ma meroji hada ne joreso militiri Mombasa gedo dhi nyime mar reso go matiyo regi jambo mar Mombasa George Chelka chini ng'ati Mombasa segi kabindi ten record jatenda migawo mar arita.
Jatenda migawo mar arita Kindiki kaunti limbe Mombasa kange makedo yedhe kauno ni otimo limbe kituo ni mar meritini ma en kituo mochung'ne chiwo thieth ne jogo matiyo gi yedhe ma meroji.
Once they are fully treated, we will run courses here, and those courses are to give them technical and vocational skills, tailoring, carpentry, masonry, electrical and mechanical certifications.
Na kada iko na mpango wa kuja kwa counties ndio tufanye kazi as national government na county governments ndio tupambane na hili janga. Kwa sasa hatujafikia county zote kwa kuwa na presence za ofisi, lakini hiyo ndio mpango wetu ambao tunaenda.
Eneo mali tuko leo iko na majukumu tatu. Ya kwanza kuwasaidia wale walio natumia miadarati wakuwe rehabilitated. Ya pili, wakishakuwa rehabilitated, kuna wale wanakuja wanahitaji treatment ambao wako addicted. Tuko na methadone dispensing area hapa. Na ya tatu, wanapotoka wameshakuwa rehabilitated, tunawapea sehemu mahali wanaweza jifunza taaluma ili wakitoka hapa waweze kuintegrate into society.
Achiel kuom siem mochiwo ne jolok hand yedhe ma meroji en ni piny owacho biro wuok motegno kendo biro kedo kodgi mana kaka osebedo ka kedo gi jogo matimo timbe njore e pacho ka.
The last 10 years we have lost civilians and officers, 500 people in our country to terrorism. All terror attacks included. Drugs have killed thousands of people. So the drug peddlers, the time is up. We have instructed all our colleagues in the field, including the team here in Mombasa, to take this fight seriously. It is going to be a timeless war, the same way the war against terror is timeless. We have no period in sight. We will fight this problem until Kenya is free from drugs and alcohol. And believe you me, fellow Kenyans, it's going to work this time round. We do not want to politicize the matter, and we have asked our brothers and sisters who are politicians to keep off this matter. It's a law enforcement matter. And leave the law enforcement agencies of the state to do their mandate.
Okoni apisas magobila mosedak ethuolo moheo higini adek kituo achiel koro nyaka mi transfer kendo ter kuonde mamoko kikoni bedo gi kanyo en achiel kuom yore matemo geng'o wach kedo gi wach yedhe ma meroji.
Some of them have gotten used to the locality. Some of them have married local girls there. So they have relatives. They have fathers-in-law, sisters-in-law there. So when we send them to enforce the law, and the father-in-law is a brewer of illicit drinks, they will be conflicted, isn't it? Because now it's either enforcing the law, it's either the job or the girl, the job or the family, the job or the family, isn't it? So please, we have no option. We have to get transferred.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.